Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a gingerbread girl on a charger plate. So I got this charger plate at Dollar Tree, and as you know, it was only $1. You'll need paints in red, black, brown, and also a white, which is not shown. We're also going to use some glamour dust, a white paint pen, some sponge stampers in a big circle and a smaller one, and a cute little bow that I made out of some ribbons that I had. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the brown, which is nutmeg brown in this case, and give your charger a few coats of that. I gave it 3, and I allowed them to dry thoroughly in between each coat. Once it's all painted and all dry, I'm going to take a chalk pencil. You can just use a piece of chalk if you have one. And I'm going to do the outside squiggly line like frosting around the whole outside of the plate. And I used a chalk pencil just in case I messed up and I needed to fix it. I could easily wipe it off. So once you have that all drawn out, you're going to take your white paint pen and trace over your chalk line. Now that we have our frosting all painted on the outside, and as you can tell, it's not perfect. It won't be perfect, and that's okay. I'm going to take my small sponge stamper and dip it into some black paint, and I'm going to dot 2 eyes in the center of the plate, and these are going to be her eyes. Next, I'm going to take the larger sponge stamper and dip that in the red paint, and I'm going to put 1 on each side for her cheeks. Once you have on her face, I'm going to take the white paint and dip the back side of my paintbrush in it and put a dot on each eye, a dot on each cheek, and then I'm going to put a dot all the way around the edge of the frosting that we added. And how super cute. Next, I'm going to take my white paint pen again and just draw a nice simple mouth to attach both of the cheeks together. And I think she's just turning out so super cute. So for the next part, I'm going to take my chalk pencil again, and I'm going to give her a little oval nose. So I'm just going to draw an oval right underneath the eyes and in between the mouth. And then I'm just going to paint that little nose red with the paint we used for the cheeks. Now, she looks super cute as is, but I'm just going to add some enchanted shimmer all over the whole thing to give it a sparkly look. And you could skip this part. You could use sparkle Mod Podge. You could use regular glitter and Mod Podge if you wanted to. I just chose to use the enchanted shimmer because I really like the shimmery look of it. So I'm just going to put a nice coat of that all over the whole plate, and then I'm going to let that dry. And once it dries, it'll dry clear, and then you won't see so much of the white look, and plus the light is glaring off of this horribly. The final part is just to add her little bow up in the corner, and I kind of put it a little off to the side, and I just think she turned out absolutely adorable. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one. And please, as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.